This thing is just too damn loud. Like, I can't even tell you how loud this car is. I don't think he has any valves on this thing anymore either. Oh god, it's so damn loud. Say hi, Matt.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hello everybody.
Oh, hey.
The Porsche race car.
Porsche.
The race car Ferrari. Oh, let's go. Let's see how loud this thing really is. Oh god, here we go. Godly. Oh, let me open up the valves, guys. Hold on. There we go. That's valves open, guys, with the burble. It's so bad. Jesus Christ. Pretty loud, right? Insanely loud, should I say. But, let's see what happens. Oh man, shit. This thing is too damn loud. I mean, I got people looking to my left, to my right at me. This is funny as hell. That was sketchy as hell. There's a cop right in front of me. I didn't know what the hell to do. Okay, I guess we could slap open valves again. Let's go valves open. Jeez. I don't get it. This thing is so damn loud. It's ridiculous, and it jerks like a mofo. Those upgraded clutches, guys. Upgraded clutches. Do much, guys. We're in traffic. Oh my god, this is so damn loud. It's like ridiculous. Like, I'm scared to even drive this car right now. This is like the definition of loud. Literally 2,500 RPM and this thing just keeps hopping. There goes Mark. I'm Matt. Record.
Open the cop?
Yeah, did you see the cop? It sounds good, dude. It's just so damn loud. It's so damn loud, dude.
It's an M4, dude.
I don't know.
I'm gonna follow you now.
No!
Yes.
Fucking bitch. Okay, let's go. We're going. I can't get over how loud this car is. It's ridiculous. Oh, here comes Graham. Right behind me. Probably gonna fly by in the Ferrari. No, he's probably not gonna fly by in the Ferrari. Oh my god, it's too damn loud. These people like seriously hate me, I think. Once I let go of it, it pops. That's at 2,500 RPMs. Jesus. People must really hate me. This is so bad. What the hell? As you can see, Graham's spot right here where he started drifting. His tread marks are still there. Ridiculous. That's 2,000. 2,000 RPM and it's still damn loud. What the actual fudge is going on right now? Oh my god. Oh, so bumpy. Jesus Lord. I'm literally cruising in third gear, 2,500 RPMs. There we go. That's K-band's going off, sorry. That's me letting go of the gas. That's how bad it is. That thing's too loud. I'm scared to even push it through this area because Redondo Beach, Manhattan Beach is the worst cop attractor. This car is probably the worst cop attractor ever. Oh my god, that was awesome. Should have seen Graham's face. It's ridiculous.
Expand.
I literally get scared every time I drive his car because it's so damn loud. It's got a big freaking wing. But it's clean though. It's really clean. It's just, I don't know what the cops would say because it's so damn loud. X-band's going off. Sorry guys. But yeah, so his car is pretty tuned up, should I say. Everything besides stage 2. No, it's full stage 2, I believe. Everything besides turbo upgrade and like headers. Oh god, this thing jerks like a mofo. Sorry.
K-band.
have to close the valves, guys, because cop's right up there on a bike. So, you know what to do. Stay quiet when there's a cop. Where is he? He's up there? I think he's gone, actually. Yeah, I think we're good. Maybe I'll open it up right now, but oh god, railroad tracks. Okay, we're good. Open it back up right now. Jesus. That's the Ferrari. That thing sounds so good. Oh my god. I love that sound. That V8 sounds ridiculous. Jesus, this thing is scary driving.
Hey, band.
Holy hell, this thing's too damn loud. Man, guys,
That car is actually sick as fuck.
it's ridiculous. And you're hating on it. And you're hating on it.
Watching it drive is crazy.
Having Graham hate on his car, guys. But no, this car's awesome. Oh my god. Get a kick out of driving this thing every time, I swear. This thing's ridiculous.
How am I gonna fix that thing in the back?
We'll fix it one of these days. That thing is
One of these days.
ridiculous. This thing sounds like a monster, yo. What's up, Matt?
It's whatever.
Oh, well, it's whatever.
Exhaust, bro.
Yeah, he says what's that, whatever, but this thing's really nice. I don't get it. Oh my god, look at this sexy beast. Look at this sexy beast. She's a beauty. She is a beauty. Oh, look, this is the real Fast and Furious, guys. Look at him. Look, he's liking it because he's looking at his car like, oh, Matsubi should drive it more.
Okay, seeing it drive is a whole other.
Let me jump in the Ferrari. I was
This
gonna.
guy's here.
Okay.
Can you shut the door, the other door?
Which one? That one? Yeah. Here, I'll jump in with you. Screw it. We want to hear the Ferrari. We want to hear the Ferrari, guys. We want to hear the Ferrari, guys. Let's go. Oh, look at the old school radio.
This guy works for the Peterson Museum.
I know your mom told me. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. Look at the old school radio, guys. You can't change shit on here.
Fuck.
What happened? Trying to reverse it?
Yeah.
So he leaves his car and he takes it out anytime?
Yeah.
That's cool. So this is the crazy guy with other race cars. Top secret stuff, guys, I can't show you, but right now we're in the infamous warehouse, should I say.
Yeah, you can show.
Yeah, without showing people's plates and stuff. You can't do that. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. But this is a really nice Chrysler. Is this a Chrysler that the guy's bringing in right
sick,
now?
Dude, it's really sick.
Does he mind if we get like a video of that?
Yeah, I wouldn't ask him. I wouldn't.
No, I'm not gonna do it though.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it.
Yeah. But yep, we're in the Ferrari. Getting out of the Ferrari. How do you get out of a Ferrari?
Can you help me fix that thing?
Yeah. How do you get out of this car, Graham?
The door handle's like.
JK.